Alright, so we're gonna start peeling. We already peeled some of these green bananas, and let's peel. We're gonna show you one. So you want to do a line. You don't want to do these, don't go all the way, but you want to do a slight line that you just cut where the peel is, right? And you stick the knife in there. Everybody has different ways of peeling these. This is my way. I just put it in there a little bit, then I go like this, simple. Alright, sometimes you get the whole peel and just it goes through. Sometimes you gotta do the same thing again. So this one I take it out, alright, and then you go and lift it up like that again. Take this one out of the way, then you do the same thing again, alright. There's people that do these like under 30 seconds. I'm not one of them, but I defend myself. Alright, so there we go. This is what you want to do. It's easy, it's not too hard. Now you don't want to just take out chunks of banana, because then you're gonna stay without no banana for you to eat. Nice. See? Easy. So usually you could go like this. You see I took out a chunk. You don't want to do that. Look, I did it again. Go like this. And I'm a rookie. This is really like my second time doing this, and I made it happen. So if I could do it, you guys could do it. My wife is a professional, but she told me you should do it. There we go, we're here. She told me to do it because she likes the way I cook, and that's about it. Is that it, my love? Is this ready to go?
Yes, it's beautiful.
So not too bad. You want to take out all the peel. See? So there you go. Ready to boil. Alright, if you see some more, you go like this, simple. That's it.
Alright, so the water's already boiling. It already has salt in it. I went ahead and finished cleaning all the guineo pieces, or the green bananas, and I cut them in half, and now we're just going to pour them in. Be very careful, you don't want to get burned. Once they're in there, you can go ahead and cover them. They'll pretty much cook by themselves for 20 minutes.
Alright, so we're gonna start by adding a tablespoon of coconut oil. It's already there, melted. I haven't turned on the pot yet, so what I do, I'm adding 20 shrimp for my wife and I, and I'm gonna season it in here.
And these are local shrimp, but if you don't have any near you, then wild cut is probably your best option.
Yes, ma'am. All right, so we added the shrimp. Now we're gonna add some onions. All right, put everything in there. All right. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna add some seasonings. Some pepper. We're gonna add some garlic. What we have for garlic, we have around 6 cloves, 6, 7. I like to use garlic. So garlic and shrimp are like perfect. They're like meats, you know. Always use those together. We got those together. All right. We haven't turned it on. So now we got salt and pepper. We have the garlic, some turmeric. Always, my wife tells me, you use turmeric because my food always looks yellow. But guess what? It's good for your health. All right. Some herbs de Provence. A little bit of oregano. I love the taste of oregano. Not too much. And then, bam, some garlic. Some ginger. Alright. A little bit of ginger. We already got the onions. Rosemary is good for you. Try to get that intake of rosemary every day, guys. This is dry rosemary, organic. The plan is to have some fresh ones around too. Alright, some cumin, a little tiny bit. You don't want too much of these. Strong flavor, my friends. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add some mustard, some ground mustard. Little bit of that. Medium high. And we're gonna just stir it. And we're gonna add something real important that you need in here. You need some lemon or lime. In this case, I'm using lemon.
Don't be afraid to be generous with your lemon or lime juice.
Yeah, so you want everything. At least if you could find almost everything organic. And some vinegar. Just a little bit of vinegar. Some organic distilled white vinegar. That's what we're using. A little bit is fine. So now we stir this. And guess what? Let's kick it up a notch and add some cayenne pepper to this. I love it. And I always make a mess. I already said if I don't make a mess, then it's not me cooking, right? Right, I just go with the flow. I never do everything like, I need to have everything perfect. No, I'm always planning. I do everything improvised on the spot. So I said that we gotta add some what? What was it?
Cayenne pepper?
Cayenne pepper, obviously. You want a little bit of this only. Not too much. Make sure you stir that. And later on, if you want, you could end up even adding some more olive oil to this coconut oil. Alright, so to cook with these, now we're gonna add the leaves. So we got a mixture here of leeks, arugula, we have spinach, we have chives, and we have basil here together. A little bit of everything. You just go with the flow, whatever you think you should add, you know. I'm not gonna give you too many portions. You just go with the flow. It makes sense. You just eye it. I know a lot of you guys are like that, like me. My wife likes to measure, not me. Alright. What do we do now? We give it another stir, make sure everything's together. You want your greens in here, you know, always. You could cook it by itself, but if you could add these greens, it's perfect. Think about healthiness. Alright, so now we cover it. And I'll come and look at it in about 7 minutes. So this is ready. So after 7 minutes, what we did after 7 minutes, we stir it and then put it down to medium low, and then 3 more minutes later, stir it again, check it out, and then overall it was 14 minutes. Alright, so this is done and ready to serve.
So after about 20 minutes, they should look like this. And then they should be ready to serve. And these are your results. Shrimp with arugula, leeks, and spinach, and basil, and chives, mixed with onions, and green bananas. Yum yum. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let us know how it went if you try it out in the comments below.